In this video, I will show you how you can turn on USB accessories on any iPad. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Over here, just go to the bottom of the page and tap on Wired Accessories. Now to turn on USB accessories on your iPad, you can either select Always Allow. Now after you select this option, you will be able to connect USB accessories to your iPad even when your iPad is locked. After that, you have the option for automatically when unlocked. And with this feature, you will be able to connect USB accessories to your iPad only when it is unlocked. And when your iPad is locked, it will ask you for the permission. After that, you have the option for Ask for New Accessories Only. And with this mode, your iPad will only ask for permission for new accessories. Then finally, you have the option for Always Ask. And in this mode, you will be always asked for permission when you connect an accessory to your iPad. For now, I will set it on Always Allow. Now, if you have an older iPad, you might not find the accessories settings over here. Now for that, just tap on Touch ID and Passcode or Face ID and Passcode. Then enter your lock screen PIN if you have set one. After that, just scroll down and under Allow Access when locked, just enable the toggle for accessories. Now currently this section is grayed out since we don't have a lock screen passcode. But if I set a lock screen passcode, just like that, as you can see after we have set a lock screen passcode, this section is not grayed out. Now over here, just look for the option for accessories and enable the toggle for accessories from here. And after you enable the toggle for accessories over here, you will be able to connect accessories to your iPad even when your iPad is locked. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.